Hey everybody, it's Constance Annan and I'm the CEO of Juicy Hair Affair. Today I'm going to talk to you guys all about non-Remy and Remy hair. So let's go ahead and start off with Remy hair. When we think about Remy hair, I know a lot of the times people confuse it with virgin hair and non-virgin hair. It is not to be confused with those two terms at all. Remy hair is a term alone on its own used to describe how the hair was retrieved. When you are dabbling into the hair industry and you are thinking about selling hair, you want to find Remy hair. Remy hair meaning that the cuticles are aligned and intact. To ensure that the cuticles are aligned and intact, typically when it comes to Remy hair, the hair is cut in ponytail form. So they will ponytail the donor's hair, and then they will cut at the base of the rubber band. When the hair is cut at the base of the rubber band, that allows the people collecting the hair to know where the tips of the hair are and where the roots of the hair is. That is cuticle alignment. That ensures that there will be no quality issues. That ensures that the hair will not experience crazy things like matting. That is what you want. Okay, each hair strand, including yours and mine, has cuticles. Those cuticles form like shingles on the hair strands and they protect the hair strand. They ensure the durability of the hair strand. That is what you want. It doesn't allow for brittle hair. It's just, Remy hair is what you want. That is the go-to standard of collecting hair. That is how you know the hair is on the verge of being good. Now let's think about non-Remy hair. Non-Remy hair is the complete opposite. Rather than cutting the hair in ponytail form and preserving the natural direction of the roots and the tips, they will just cut the hair randomly, or sometimes they even collect fallen hair. Now if you're not too familiar with fallen hair, I've addressed it in my previous videos. Fallen hair is scraps of hair, whether it be on a used hairbrush, whether it be on a broom, whether it be on floors of salons. They collect this hair, and because it's just been randomly collected, they don't know where the roots are, they don't know where the tips are, and they just compile that hair, they process that hair, and they dip it in silicone to give it a nice appearance. And that is when you experience like quality issues like tangling and shedding and all those things that we do not want with hair. At this point, it's all about, is it Remy or non-Remy? That should be the first thing that you're worrying about when it comes to interrogating a vendor. You want to know if the hair if it has its cuticles aligned and intact. Because if it does have its cuticles aligned and intact, that makes it Remy and that makes it good quality. And so I need you guys to really remember that Remy hair does not guarantee that the hair is virgin. It does not guarantee that the hair is unprocessed. It just guarantees that the hair cuticles are aligned and intact. And that's what you want, okay? When it comes to actually having unprocessed or processed hair, that's up to you, and that's up to who you decide to cater to. The number one thing to know is that you want Remy hair and that you want hair with its cuticles aligned and intact, which is Remy hair. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope it was easy to understand. If it wasn't easy to understand, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I will get back to you guys. Once again, I'm going to reiterate the fact that Remy hair does not guarantee that the hair is virgin or unprocessed or processed. Remy hair just lets you know that it has its cuticles aligned and intact, and that is what you're looking for. Non-Remy hair, on the other hand, does not have its cuticles aligned and intact. The hair cuticles may be damaged, the hair cuticles may be misaligned, and the hair cuticles may be completely removed. That is not what you want, okay, ladies? So I hope you guys have learned a lot from this video, and I will see you in my next one. Stay blessed.